was that?
What did it look like? I'm so sad. Case!
I have my arrow.
Do it. I'll videotape you while I'm walking across the log.
Hold on. I'll find you another stick.
You don't have a stick?
No. It's right there in the mud. It's a pretty not so durable stick.
It'll work.
Someone stepped in the mud right
It's
there.
very not durable.
Yeah.
Breaking
Hey, wait! Steve, throw me that stick!
Here.
No, this one's so much better.
Your stick? Are you gonna go yours?
Okay.
I'm Sorry for trying.
No, I'll take it. No!
Take that.
You're gonna have to wait till I get over there.
Bitch!
You want to duel?
I had something. Wait, here, babe.
You could really cross this. It's really not that
Yeah.
hard. It's kind of wide.
Here, take my stick. Thanks, girl.
Oh, okay.
How about now?
What?
Tree almost fell on me.
Give me this one.
No, we duel.
He's like,
Here, Casey.
no. I'm like, I'm just trying to get across.
The stick sucks dick, Nick.
What?
The stick sucks.
Just cross it. It's not hard.
Come here, Case. I got one
Just do
for
it without
you.
hands. I did it. Kate did it.
Alright, here we go.
Hands. Do it without hands.
What if I fall?
You can do
Come,
it.
girl.
And you'll document it. It'll be funny later. See, not hard. Not hard. Look at that.
Sticks are for bitches!
Yeah. You can do it, Steve. Look at that.
Woo!
Damn, you got it bad.
There's the fallen log. How much do you hate nature? Over there. Let's go. Show nature who's boss.